through Jemez Springs right now. About an hour away from our destination. And Junior's getting anxious. Can't keep saying hi for everything. You gotta say something else than hi. There's Sebas. He's still asleep, that baby boy. And we'll be there soon. And we're gonna have a bunch of fun. So, see how it goes. So here we are, stuck in the construction zone.
This
Junior?
construction been here for a long time.
Yes, it has been here for a long time. Have you been liking the road?
Yeah,
What have you seen on the road so far?
a lot of rocks.
What color are the rocks?
Red,
And what other color?
white,
What do you see in the mountains?
holes,
What do you think the holes are from? In the water?
animals.
Animals? It's probably from the animals. Alright, well, we'll probably be at this construction zone for like 10 minutes. We'll get back on the road. So we're finally here. Where's Junior? There he is. Sebas, say hi. Say dear. It's so beautiful here. All of those are cliff dwellings. And we got more that way. Just look at this one. Look at Junior in there.
Come up here.
I'll be right there. Here you go. Our phone died out there in Bandelier, so we couldn't update it, but this is how we're ending the night.